Alright, good evening everybody. I am Vice Forecaster JD Rat back with you in the Breaking Weather Center. We just have another tornado warning has been issued. And a severe thunderstorm warning. This tornado warning goes in effect at about 5:15 this evening. Western central Berry County and south central Missouri and into about 5:15 at 4:44. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Wash Barn or 10 miles west of Cassville, moving east on 40, so hazardous tornado. So definitely hazardous tornado with this storm. So definitely this is another little supercell trying to form. We'll pull up a radar and yeah, definitely there is some potentially some storm area or Cassie, Balloon, Butler Field area. You need to be shaking shelter. You're under a tornado warning. Um, Looking at the potentially for hail with the storm, I don't really see any large hail right now with this. I don't know if the computer's popping up anything, but I want to pass along some of this. We're already getting reports of some hail with this storm from train spotters. Just indicate 1-inch hail from this storm, so that is reported from Highway KFF. So that's where we have another severe. And we also have a severe thunderstorm warning over here too. That goes in effect to 5:15 for eastern Christian County in central Missouri, eastern Lawrence County in central Missouri, eastern Greene County, central Missouri, into about 5:15 at 4:34. A severe thunderstorm located near Greens or near Republic Munition 40. So what we'll expect is quarter-size hail of the storm. So hail is going to be more of a concern with this one thunderstorm. So we'll pull up our tool because normally once we get to this, it's going to be a hail fret. And partly my hail fret tool ain't working, so let me switch. Let's see. This is what we run to the St. Louis site. If I did that, and this is I guess the Springfield one ain't gonna work. So, all right. Or maybe it's not even dropping any hail at all. Let me pull over to the Memphis. Try to figure out what's going on with the Springfield site. Well, looks like it ain't gonna work. I can pull up velocity. This doesn't look like a bunch of hail with this one, but they've got low updraft. So this is a severe thunderstorm warning that goes into effect. A warning that got issued into about 5:15. This one could produce maybe a small, brief tornado. We could easily get another spin up along this area, and doesn't have any hail with it, so that's the good thing. But if you're in the path of this, you need to seek shelter. Uh, Head to the basement, small 2 room, put a football helmet. Even a baseball helmet will be the safest place to be into. This is a tornado warning. Into round 5:15. So we'll continue to keep you updated on this. So we want to watch this storm. So far there's no rotation. Really anything on the ground. So I want to take a look at a couple more little cells here, and we'll pop on if we need to again. Very weak sheared everywhere. So put the last couple scans in before I send things back, and you could just see things are animated a little bit. Very little, some of the green stuff there, but doesn't really show anything coming to ground. But there could be a hail, something trying to circulate right over here, so we'll have to watch that also too. So, so these cells by up here are getting into environment when maybe things are going to do better. We'll check our hail scope. Doesn't really show any. Very low hail count right now because maybe we're getting to an environment where things when the sun's going to go down a lot, we won't see as much. So bad than it normally is. So you're just joining me. We have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect at 5:15, and a tornado warning down here at about 5:15. And still watching these storms real closely in case they would produce a lot of hail today with them and some damage and winds. So we'll be here for the even hours. I was just going to give you a quick update on these storms. If we get any advisories, we'll pop on to let you know. Right now, I'm Vice Forecaster JD Rapp. We'll continue to pass along any advisories if they come issue with you, if they get put out.